This is how you embroider the flowers on the In Bloom sweater. Here I've already done one, and I'm just attaching all of mine. You can do them individually and sew all the ends in, but I don't want to. So since the yarn is attached to the center of this one, I'm going to pick the next place that I'm going to go into. We'll do here, not too far away so there's not too much yarn in between them. And then just pull so there's no slack in between, but not too tight. And so this stitch that you go into will be your center. And then you're going to pick a stitch about 2 rows away and like 3 or 4 stitches up. And then for the center, you're going back through that same stitch every single time. And then just pull. You don't want to leave big holes in the fabric, but you want it to be just tight enough. So keep an eye on your tension. And then you're just going to be doubling it up there basically. So it'll look like that. And then there's your first petal. And then a couple of rows away at about the same distance for the second petal. All of these are going to look different, which is, I think, part of the charm of this design. There's your second petal. And then again, since there's 5, you want to kind of keep them at about the same distance away from each other. But I mean, you'll just get, I've done the whole tree now, so I've gotten pretty good at judging where to put each petal. You're just going through the center every single time. All right, let's see here. I think we'll go here for this one. Oh, maybe down one more. Just like that. And then for the final one, you'll just pull it through the back. And there's a completed cherry blossom flower. And then you'll just do that about 1,000,000 more times on the sweater. Here is my tree. I used a couple of different colors of pink, and sometimes I added little centers afterwards in the opposite color, and then you can see some of them, like here's one of my first ones, and it's a little wonky, and then they got much prettier looking as I got more practice at them. So it just takes practice. You can try it on scrap before you get started on the actual sweater body too, if you want to. And then for the leaves, which those are optional, you can add them if you want to. I decided that the tree needed just a little bit of something else, so I just did duplicate stitch here and there in 2 colors of green. So that part is easy, and I did it afterwards. And so the back of it looks like that. And just try to sew things in as neatly as possible and make it so it's not too bulky on the back. And that is the embroidery on the In Bloom sweater. Thanks for watching.